Welcome to our weekly DIY segment. Do it with Yollies. Today we'll be painting this cute Frida Kahlo planter. You can make it for your mom this Mother's Day, or you can make it for yourself or for someone special. This craft is very inexpensive and you can buy almost everything at the Dollar Tree. So without further ado, here are the things that you will need for this craft.
You will need a cup of water with paintbrushes, 1 terracotta pot. I bought a 3-pack at the Dollar Tree. You can use a fake or real succulent, a pair of scissors, and my own acrylic paint that I got from Hobby Lobby. The Dollar Tree also has paint. When you have all your materials together, you can start. I'm first going to use black paint to start painting Frida Kahlo's hair. So I'm going to carefully curve the front end of her hair and make sure I leave it a little bit textured so it looks like hair. And as I go around the terracotta pot, I'm just going to make sure I cover the whole top of it black and make it look like the top of a head. So now the whole top part is finished and I'm going to start on the small details of Frida Kahlo's face. I'm first going to start off with the center of her eyebrow. I'm going to add like 3 little dots and then add on 1 wing, and that's going to be her left eyebrow. I'm going to make sure that the line for the eyebrows is a little thick so that it resembles the drawings that inspired this craft. Now I'm going to begin drawing her eyes, and instead of using the brush part of my paintbrush, I'm going to be using the end, the plastic part of the paintbrush. It's going to give me finer lines and it's going to help me really plan out how I want Frida Kahlo's eyes. I've decided to give Frida Kahlo closed eyes with cute little eyelashes. Next, I'm going to draw her little nose using the same technique of using the back part of the paintbrush. At this point, we are ready to start drawing the big, beautiful red lips. So I'm still going to be using the back end of a paintbrush, but instead of black, we are going to use the color red. I'm going to go back to the color black to outline her mouth and give her a nice cute smile. I'm not quite satisfied with the lips, so I'm going to add a little bit more red and give them a fuller look using the actual brush this time. With a peachy pinkish color, we're going to add cute little circles as blush marks to her cheeks. Now we know this can't be Frida Kahlo without beautiful flowers in her hair. So I'm going to start off with the color orange and create petals for her hair. The next color is green, my favorite color. We're going to do the same thing we did with the orange one and just create green petals this time. The next flower is going to be a light blue, and we're going to do the same technique as we did with the orange and green flower. For the final touch, we're going to grab some yellow and make little dots for the center of each flower. At this point, we are almost done with our Frida Kahlo inspired terracotta pot. We are not just going to fill in some of the spots on top where I did not color in with the color black, and I'm going to go in a little deeper inside the terracotta pot so it could give it a cleaner look. So we're pretty much done painting, and we're going to let it dry. We're going to prep our fake succulent that I got from the Dollar Tree by just trimming off the end to make it fit into the terracotta perfectly. When that's all done, voila! We have our adorable Frida Kahlo inspired terracotta pot.
So that's all we got for today. Thank you for tuning in for Do It with Yoli's. And we'll see you guys next Sunday here on Evioli.